Hi everybody, Delilah from Alta Baja, and today I'm going to show you how to make Café de Olla. It's really popular in the shop, and now you can make it at home. I know online we have kits, so after you see this video you can actually go order it online in our store from altabajamarket.com and make it yourself. And what's great about this recipe is you don't even need a coffee maker of any kind. So first what we need to do is get our coffee, and I have it ground to percolator, and the coffee kit that we have online, that's also ground to percolator. And the reason is we're going to brew this cowboy style. So we're going to brew it in a pot with some water, and then we're going to strain it out. So you want the beans to be coarsely chopped, I guess, or ground. This whole container is 16 ounces, and I want to say it's a little bit less than that. So maybe about a cup of coffee, and it's going to be in this big pot, which is going to hold at least a gallon of water. So I just pour the whole thing in, and if you like it weaker, just add more water later or dilute it, and if you like it stronger, you know, for next time add some more coffee. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some Mexican cinnamon sticks. You can get these at any Latino grocery store, or you can probably buy them online, and if you do buy them online, Rancho Gordo also sells Mexican cinnamon. And I just got a huge whiff of that cinnamon when I broke those up. It smelled delicious. But anyways, I'm gonna just break up 3 or 4 cinnamon sticks, and look, it's really rustic. So traditionally, a lot of people make their Café de Olla with piloncillo, and this is like a brown cane sugar that's kind of like in a hard cone. They just dip it in here too, and they bruise the coffee. Personally, I don't make mine with sugar because some people don't do sugar. There's a lot of people with diabetes, and you know, some people want honey instead or maple syrup, and I just eliminate that. You add your own sugar when you make your coffee or when you pour a cup of coffee, and it's just very simple. Coffee, cinnamon, I'm adding my water. Oh, I gotta add more water than this. Anyways, let's just get this on the stove right now. I'm turning it up on high. There we go. Okay, so I turned it down just a little bit, but as you see, it's still a rolling boil, and we're just gonna let this go for about 30 minutes, okay? Hi, we've been letting our cafe boil. It's now resting, and now we're ready to strain it. And what I've done is I've cut a piece of cheesecloth, and that's included in the kit if you get it online. And then I took a strainer, just gonna put the cheesecloth into the strainer. And first I'm going to pour some into a pot, which, yeah, this is not hot. And this is going to be the hot coffee that I'm going to drink right now, or some of us are going to drink right now. And then I'm going to pour some in this container. Again, you don't have to make this much. This is actually how much we make in the store. You can make half the amount, and the recipe on the bottom of this video will be enough for, you know, a few people. This one is going to be my cold Café de Olla. And what I like to do sometimes is I'll just keep this around for a few days, and I'll just heat this up in a pan like this, and I'll just make myself a cup of coffee, and it's already brewed. So this will be, I don't know, 4 or 5 days worth of already brewed coffee or iced coffee. And I hope you enjoyed this episode on Café de Olla. Thank you.